Remove the 4 bolts from here. Remove the 2 bolts here. Remove the bolts holding the drive shaft. Use a strong, sharp flathead screwdriver to try to pry it out from this gap here. Rotate the drive shaft with your hands and do the same to the other side. There will be another gap on the other side. Here is the other gap. I removed 2 bolts here. I removed 2 bolts here as well. And 4 bolts here. Hit a like if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to be a subscriber.